Okay, check this out. Let me turn the little light on. Check this out. All right, I'm gonna take the starter off. Kind of smashed the front of it when I was taking this thing out. That's okay. That's okay. Kind of got a mess to clean up. No biggie. Someone rounded that bolt off. Ah. I think my only carnage pulling it out. Whatever. Whew. I need to split this, get this transmission off. I want to see what bolts this thing uses though. Let's go right off the top. Oh, sweet, I got a whole bunch of these. All right, try to get this situated so when that thing comes down, it's got a place to live. I was gonna wait till tomorrow to do this, but I really want to see what's going on with this clutch. My theory is that it is seized for sure. However, I feel like the actual clutch forks is like rusted out, or not clutch forks, the fingers. And the thing has just like fallen apart. Maybe, I don't know if that's a solid theory or not. It shifted like crap, that's for sure. When it was running, it grinded for my 35-second maiden voyage around the yard. The synchros don't look too bad though in the transmission. All right, we're free. Here's the fun part. Decent amount of crud keeping this thing together. I got fluid in the transmission. That's cool. See if I can lay it. So I'm angled up to pull it out. Just trying to massage this thing out. I got a bigger breaker bar. That'll probably help. I think this is seized in there. I'm tired. This thing just does not want to separate. Yeah! Woo! Sweet. Come on out. I think it was rusted. So this can come up. We're free. Yes. Ah. Whoa. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this wasn't, this thing smoked. Okay, check this out. Let me turn the little light on. Check this out. Woo. Look at that. I'd say it's time for a new clutch and everything. This is interesting because, let me hold it. It's like, I don't even know. Like the mashed on this thing like crazy, or someone did while it was still running. It's glazed over. There's all kinds of metal. I mean, there's a whole glistening area of metal flake in there, inside this thing. I bet the flywheel's crap too, which is okay. Look at that. There's the, see, that doesn't look bad. I'm still going to rebuild it. Carnage. All right. Now I'm going to get this thing actually set up and ready to rip apart in a nice, neat manner and rebuild it all. And then get it all back in the Jeep. But first I got to fix the Jeep. Do a bunch of fab work, which is really what I'm looking forward to. But, well, that's it for this little surprise bonus episode. I was originally going to make this one a longer, in-depth episode and go into setting everything up and honestly kind of boring stuff. But the suspense was killing me to see what exactly was wrong with what's going on with the clutch and the bell housing, how bad it was, what the jingle bells noise going on when I tried to shift was. And well, we figured it out. It's smoked, and it all needs to be rebuilt and new. So, well, if you've been following the other episodes and you saw this, I hope you enjoyed seeing what finally is going on inside that. Sorry it took me so long to break the transmission free. My back is barking right now. So I'm going to clean up and go get some dinner and hang out with the family. All right, I'll see you next time.